Whoa! Day 14. Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. That's Dave, and that's Dave.
Johnny.
And
I'm Nick.
I'm Dave. You're Nick? Wait.
Yeah, I'm Nick.
This one, I hope by Christmas he'll actually figure out who he is. He is definitely having an identity crisis. But in the meantime, we are going to continue working on our Lego City Advent calendar. Working our way up to maybe finding Santa Claus. Who knows? Today it is going to be Nick's turn, and he's anxious to get started. So let's roll those credits. Okay, Mr. Nick, it is your turn, and boy, he's just right in there, got that.
He's got an axe, man. Run!
It's a fireman. Well, at least he's wearing a fireman's hat, but he does, it's kind of frightening. So this is the fireman that killed Christmas?
Fireman has been killed.
And you're going to bring him back, huh?
Yeah.
This is going to be a short video.
Indeed.
Well, that was quick and easy. So, we have a fireman who wears his hat backwards. No, it's on there correctly. Never mind.
Oh, come on!
The fireman is gone.
It's Bob.
Bob the fireman?
Yep, Bob.
It is. So, wait, we have Betty the builder and Bob the fireman? That just doesn't sound right.
Betty is not a thief. Betty's a thief.
Oh,
Betty's a
a
jewel
thief. Well, where's Bob the builder? Oh, well. There we have it, folks. Day 14 is done and in the books.
Hey, do we get to build something with the leftover parts?
Sure, why not?
After all this?
I'm sure we can come up with something. Hey, you could build like a dinosaur or something with an axe. That'd be really scary, wouldn't it?
There was only one axe.
So you take it away from Bob.
Why would you do that?
Because he's got a scary axe.
I'm pretty sure he has an axe for a reason.
He'll slice your nose.
You're not funny.
Do you guys think I'm funny? Hey, tell us in the comments what you think. Anyway, this has been day 14. Nick built us Bob the fireman. We'll be back tomorrow to see what I get to do because it's my turn. Day 15. Like, subscribe, and comment below. And be sure you share this with all your friends. Or maybe you should share it with your enemies. Either way, whatever works for you. We appreciate y'all watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow right here on DIY Dave and Company. Bye. Bye. Dave's sleeping.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
I think Bob's axe is top heavy. Maybe he's supposed to push it further down. And whoop. And now he doesn't want to hang on to it.
Did it exactly as it intended.
I know, but I'm just saying he doesn't want to stand up.
He was before.
Until you broke him.
Don't let me break you.
See, look. Working out.
Okay.
No.
He's dead.